Every role so far has been one that ships with the product. But you are not limited to those. You compose your own out of the individual permissions, and the app then shapes itself around whatever you chose. Here is one we built that no product ships with, a reconciliation clerk. This is Rita, and we put her on that custom role. Her profile carries 4 permissions, and every one of them sits under banking and reconciliation. Perform the reconciliation, lock a period, unlock it, edit an entry. Nothing from any other part of the system. And that's one thing she can do properly. She opens bank reconciliation and the page loads, because holding the reconciliation permission is exactly what the system checks before it lets anyone in here. But look at the rest of her menu, or rather how little of it there is. Her whole world is the dashboard and the bank reconciliation she was built for. No customers or vendors to manage, no reports to open, and though the payments menu is visible to everyone, she cannot raise a voucher inside it. The screen has shrunk to fit the role. That is the whole idea of the permission system, in one screen. You decide, right down to the single action, what each person in your company is allowed to touch. The built-in roles are a convenient starting point. Custom roles like this one let you match the software exactly to how your organization actually divides the work.